In this recording in our series of pocket operations, I'm going to be doing a finish cut on the part that I worked on in my previous recording. What I'm going to do now is just do a simple save and copy of my previous operation. And let's go back to my geometry page. We're using the exact same geometry as I used before. The tool, I can change tools, but I'm just going to leave it now just so that we can see what's actually going on. My levels, just going to leave everything exactly the way it is. Maybe I'll change my down step since this is a finish cut, and I'll actually have it go down a total of, say, 20 millimeters each time, taking into account that my cutting length of the tool is 24 millimeters. I'll do that on my levels page. As I said, 20 millimeters. Now let's go to my technology page. In my technology page, first let's get rid of rest. I don't need that because I'm not doing rest material now. I'm just doing a finish cut. And I want to do only a wall finish with no rough cutting inside there. So I'm going to say wall finish only. My links, I'm going to have that as arc. Do the same for my exit. And now let's take a look at my simulation after I do save and calculate. We'll run my simulation, and you see now it's doing a finish cut on the entire part as it's going further and further down on the part until it finishes the outside. In my next recording, we'll start working on the pockets that we have inside the part itself, such as this pocket, and these pockets as well.